You need to hear this if you're a science geek. Sneezing is way crazier than you think. Yep, every time you sneeze, the air blasts out of your nose at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine being a superhero with that kind of speed. But instead of flying, you're just expelling snot and germs. Kinda cool. And kinda gross, right? So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, you're basically a human wind turbine. Just be sure to cover your mouth and nose. Sneezes are powerful, but we don't need any 100-minute germ tornadoes, do we? Stay curious, stay sneezy, and most importantly, stay covered.